In this video, I'd like to introduce you to MindMup. It's a mind mapping application. It's a graphical way to represent ideas and concepts. Students can summarize, plan a project or a paper, take notes, whatever. It comes down to the fact that students can organize their thoughts and process new information, just as this student has done in this example. The convenient thing is, it's an application right here in Rapid Identity. All students and all teachers have access to this application. The other thing that's convenient is that it saves the projects in Google Drive, so the students can go back to them very easily, open them, edit them, whatever. Let's go ahead and open up a MindMup. You notice right here, we have a Create a New Map button. When it opens, you can see we have a toolbar here that will help you build your mind map, help the students build their mind map using colors and nodes and arrows and alignment and font change and whatever, right? The last thing I want to show you is MindMup has offered tutorials and guides. In fact, quite a few of them, right? Quite a few topics listed here that will help you get started, not only becoming more familiar with MindMup, but then starting to use it in your classroom.